A. To understand the structural components and their functions of a hot air oven. Apparatus/materials required. Laboratory hot air oven, thermometer or temperature display, petri dishes, glassware, and other sterilization materials. Theory. A hot air oven is a dry heat sterilization device used in microbiology and biotechnology laboratories. It sterilizes glassware, metal instruments, and other heat-resistant materials by circulating hot air at high temperatures, typically between 160 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius for 1 to 2 hours. The principle of operation is based on dry heat sterilization, where hot air removes moisture and oxidizes cell components, leading to microbial death. It is suitable for materials that cannot be sterilized by moist heat. Structural components and their functions. Part. Function. Outer body/casing. Made of stainless steel or painted metal, provides protection and insulation. Inner chamber. The area where materials are placed for sterilization, made of stainless steel to resist heat. Insulation layer. Placed between inner and outer walls to minimize heat loss and maintain uniform temperature. Shelves/trays. Hold glassware and other materials, can be adjusted for space. Heating elements. Electric coils placed around the chamber, provide uniform heat. Fan/air circulator, in some models. Ensures even distribution of hot air for uniform sterilization. Thermostat/temperature controller. Maintains and regulates the desired temperature inside the oven. Temperature display/thermometer. Indicates the current internal temperature. Timer. Allows setting the duration of sterilization. Power switch/control panel. Used to operate and control the oven's functions. Ventilation knob/air ducts. Allow removal of moisture and air circulation. Door with gasket. Provides airtight sealing to prevent heat loss during operation. Working principle. The hot air oven works on the principle of convection. Hot air is circulated inside the chamber to sterilize materials. As the temperature increases, dry heat oxidizes cellular components and denatures proteins of microorganisms, resulting in their complete destruction. Procedure. Clean and dry the glassware to be sterilized. Arrange the materials properly on the trays of the oven. Close the door tightly to prevent heat loss. Set the temperature, usually 160 to 180 degrees Celsius, and time, 1 to 2 hours, using the control panel. After sterilization, allow the oven to cool before removing the materials. Observation. The temperature gradually rises to the set value. Materials become sterilized after the complete heating cycle. No microbial growth occurs in sterilized glassware after use. Conclusion. The hot air oven is an effective equipment for dry heat sterilization of laboratory glassware and instruments. Its components ensure uniform heating, accurate temperature control, and safety during the sterilization process.